Okay, so we are moving on. This is the next topic is how to hack Uber cancellations to earn more money. So what do you think about Uber driver hacks?
I think they're great. There's a bunch of hacks out there that a lot of people don't even know about.
Yep. Surge hacks, destination trip hacks, Uber cancellation hacks.
Yeah.
Getting the used XL hack to earn more money.
Yeah.
The rideshareuniversity.org hack. You can sign up here, get $10 for signing up, link below, and start learning how to make more money. There's sign up for solo hack. You can get $10 for signing up. The buckle up hack, get a free quote and get $20 hack. The Play Octopus.
Yeah, you can make $40 right there.
Play Octopus, you get a free tablet. They start paying you up to $100 a month hack. So this is the Uber cancellation hack. This is actually a video I made back in the prime when I was driving full time. So you ready to watch this together?
Yeah.
Yeah, and comment down below, what kind of hacks do you guys use? Tips and tricks. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Oh, got to get the audio on.
If you don't know what cancellation, I love cancellations. I don't know about you guys, but if you don't know what cancellations are, it's basically when you show up and your ride's not there, or it's a no-show, whatever. Pretty much the same thing. You show up and the guy, for whatever reason, or the girl, they say, "Oh, sorry, I don't need you," or they just don't even walk outside. I'm not gonna wait. If it's a really long ride, I'll wait. But if it's only a $2 ride, you make more money just canceling the dang thing.
all these emojis.
So and then that way, you're not wasting any of your gas driving there. You just get the $5 and then move on with your day.
Yeah, guys. So I actually used to do this all the time, and I don't think this was like I don't think they wanted drivers doing this, but I actually found out that if you're driving for Lyft or Uber and you get to your pickup location and the passenger isn't there, and you try to call them and they don't they're not there, if you wait 5 minutes, you can click passenger no show and they'll send you $5. And if you're an Uber or Lyft driver, you know that some of your rides are even less than $5. So if you take the ride, so a lot of times I would go there and I would get there and the counter starts immediately as you click arrive. So I would click it right as I get there. I'm not trying to waste any time here. And then once you get there, it says this was before they would tell you how much money you were going to make on the ride. So I would look and see, okay, how far is the trip? If it's a really long trip, then I would, I'm going to make 30, 40, $50 plus. I would say, okay, yeah, I'm going to wait for them because I really want that $50. But if it's a really short ride, I'm almost secretly hoping in the back of my head that they don't show up so I could just get $5 and move on. And I was like, well, I just got $5 and I didn't have to put any more miles on my car. I could just, I would usually drive around the block and then, wait for my next ride.
Yeah.
And, and I'm not like cheating the system. Like I'm not like, doing anything wrong, but like they had that in place. So I was like, I'm taking advantage of that. So as soon as I get there, I'm clicking arrive, wait 5 minutes. If they're not there, I'm getting that $5 and I'm moving on. And sometimes, I would see drivers either in the comments or whatever saying, oh yeah, I wait 10, 15, 20 minutes for my passenger. And, you might wait 20 minutes and then take a ride, and that ride might only be a $5 ride. It's like you could have made $5 had you canceled earlier.
Yeah, it's like you're not getting paid anymore just for waiting longer.
Yeah, I think you're like literally correct. Like I think they pay you $0 like to wait. So it's like they might pay you now like 10 cents a minute or something, like, or 5 cents a minute for if your passenger's not there, but it's super low. It's I tried it one time.
Yeah, that's still not even worth it.
Yeah, I tried it one time and I made like an extra $1 for waiting like 15 to 20 minutes.
Oh.
So anyways, guys, that's the cancellation hack. Don't abuse it. You don't want to get deactivated, but it's there if you need it. Okay.
Yeah.